Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best coding laptops. Starting at number 5. Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 2020. Apple's ARM-based M1 chips are a game changer. And the M1 MacBook Pro is a fantastic device for practically any computing task, programming included. A few compatibility issues remain for developers running programs on the ARM-based M1 chips. However, with each month, more and more of these issues are resolved. Emulators, virtual machines, and homebrew support have all seen significant improvements over the last year, making the newer Apple devices more and more compelling. While you will be constrained to a maximum of 16 GB of RAM, this is more than enough to perform most tasks, especially when paired with the awesome 8-core CPU. However, the M1 MacBook remains a fantastic platform with no need for a secondary boot if you're a web developer or someone looking to develop for Apple platforms. Coming at number 4. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 9. Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Carbon has been a favorite of ours for some time. We awarded it a rare 5-star rating on its original launch in 2018. It was the best business laptop on the market, and Lenovo has done well to maintain that standard with each new iteration. Now in its 9th generation, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon is hitting those 5-star peaks again thanks to some improvements to its processor, display, and battery life. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon keeps all the things that made the original ThinkPad so great and tweaks it to near perfection. Configurations also allow for up to 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage. And what results is the best ThinkPad X1 Carbon to date. More still, you get a very competent machine for programmers of all branches to make use of. Its impressive battery can keep you working on the move, and you'll be able to code in comfort for hours thanks to one of the best laptop keyboards available. At number 3. HP Spectre X360 14. Balancing form and function is hard, but you wouldn't think so looking at the HP Spectre X360 14. Call me skeptical, but any laptop that looks this good leads me to wonder what it's trying to distract you from. However, this laptop is far more than a pretty face. Under the hood, the Spectre X360 14 sports an 11th Gen Intel Tiger Lake CPU with integrated Iris-Xe graphics. This kind of power, especially when paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage, makes the Spectre an easy recommendation for anyone looking for a laptop that packs a punch for programmers. 5-inch panel becomes an impressive touchscreen tablet. This is great for quickly showing off a prototype or getting a feel for how your project works in real time. HP's laptop also impresses with a comfortable keyboard and a generously sized touchpad, designed for those who expect the extraordinary. The world's first multi-surface glass notebook with 3 pristine surfaces of scratch-resistant glass, the HP 14 Spectre pushes the boundaries of what an ultrabook can be. Number 2 of my list. Dell XPS 15 OLED 2021. Dell's XPS 13 currently tops our list as one of the best laptops available. The runaway success of the 13-inch powerhouse has been something to behold, but the rest of the XPS family isn't too far behind. The XPS 15 OLED is one of those family members, and it's yet another extraordinary machine. Stacked with powerful components, the XPS 15 OLED is all gas and no brakes for tackling just about any computer-related task. Configurations allow the XPS 15 OLED to be outfitted with an 8-core 11th Gen Intel Core i9-11900H CPU and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti GPU. It may also improve the battery life of the laptop as our review model, fitted with the 3.5K OLED panel, managed just 6 hours and 58 minutes of uptime during testing. If battery life isn't so important and your budget can stretch to it, The Dell XPS 15 OLED could be your programming platform of choice for years to come. And number 1. MacBook Pro 14. In a time where internet speculation is rife, bringing out a product that stacks up to people's expectations is a burdensome task. However, as Steve Jobs once said, people don't know what they want until you show it to them. And, with the reveal of Apple's new range of MacBook Pro laptops, anybody looking for a portable programming powerhouse can consider themselves very much shown. The M1 Pro chip housed within might play second fiddle to the M1 Max. But when it comes to performance, it's up there with the best laptops available. Our benchmark testing saw the MacBook Pro 14 dominate, with its 10-core processor demolishing the scores of top-tier Intel and AMD-powered laptops. Although the MacBook Pro 14 has a $1,999 base price, more powerful configurations can push that number up to an eye-watering $5,899. While the real crown jewel in the MacBook Pro 14 is the M1 Pro chip, several other improvements may help to soften that price for you. The most notable of which is the 14-hour battery life, a dazzling 14-inch display, a fantastic keyboard, and improved port selection that includes a full HDMI port and an SDXC card reader. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.